Hello, students. I'm going to show you how to do the exercise with charts. We opened up the file and it's on fiction book sales. We don't want that. We want to click over here on the challenge worksheet and it will change. We're going to select from A1, drag it down over to E6. I've got my headings in here. There's salespeople and then by month. Now we'll do insert. And these are the charts. So let's click here, column charts. There's 2D, 3D, so on. We want the 3D column. And now I clicked in here on the chart title and I can put whatever they say to do a sales chart. I'm just going to put that for right now. And you can make this bold. You can change click over here on home and make it bold or make it whatever color. Let's see, we can make it red. There we go. It really stands up. Oops, that. Scroll back up. Here we go. Now I've got my chart started, and right here, here's our amounts, and then salesperson Watson, Chang, Hassan, and so on. And so this is by, you look to see what you want in your chart. Do you want this by salesperson or do you want it by month? We want to look at it by month, so we'll click in the chart to make it active. Once it is active, you'll see up here you have chart design and format. So this is about the design of it. So I'm going to click design and we can switch row and column. And now September, October, November, December, the blue is Watson, the yellow is Chang, and the red is Hassan, and so on. Okay, so let me switch it again. It went by salesperson. Now it's going by months. Okay. Now, if we want to move the chart, we can click here, and I'm going to do that in a minute. I would just want to show you change chart type real quick. Let's say we want to change it to a line. There's a line. There's a pie. We'll change it to a pie chart. Okay, now we have by the people. Okay, so let's switch rows. Now we have it set up and it's by our salespeople. And here's all the different styles that you can pick. Change different things on it. Change your colors if we don't want it, these set of colors, and change all that. Okay, and I might have done a quick layout. You see now it's adding the names of the people and the amounts, and it does all different things. So depending on what you want in your chart, you have to really manipulate it and get what you want. But there's all these possibilities. Now, if I want to move this chart off of here, oh, I can, excuse me, I just, Control Z will put that back. Okay, I can move this around on my spreadsheet. I can put it right next door. I can put it below my data. And then if I did file, print, this is what it would look like. The data would be right up there. Okay, but let's say that I have this and I want to actually move it to all by itself. So I go chart design, move chart, and we want it in a new sheet. And I'm going to call it sales chart. And I'll say, okay. And now it's all by itself. So if I was going to print it, it just looks like this. Okay, now I think it'd be nice if we added some, I'm going to go to chart design, quick layout, and you can see here we have, now we have the salesperson and the amounts. And actually, I clicked that and all of them got selected, but it's totally unreadable. So they were all selected and I can make it. There we go. That looks nice. That might be what you would want to have. So in this course, this is an introductory course. You're not going to understand all of about charts, but this is an introduction to them. And I would suggest that if you are working and you need to make charts, you can go into Google, look for go to YouTube and look for charts, and either is lesson after lesson after lesson. So there's more to it. I just want to have you introduced to charts. So once you make some changes like this, so I want you to use this and then some quick layout, maybe this little one here. And again, let's see, selecting the whole thing. Whoop. And I can move that up here. I can make it a little bit bigger, but all of that inside is not big enough. So then we can do home, and we can make this 16 and now see, so there's just so much you can do, and it does take time, but it's such a fun feature. Okay, you can upload whatever you end up with after you've experimented with it a little bit.